Hi guys. So what I did was I decided to install Divi theme, and I chose a pre-made like website template from the Divi library. The reason why I did this is it's just the way that I work. I like to visually have kind of begin to put things together. I don't really work well just by setting up all the SEO. Like I do the SEO, but I do it through the visual builder. In Divi or whatever theme I'm using. So what we'll do is there are a couple little minor changes I want to do with these headings. I want to increase the text size. So let's go actually back and just do that now. And I also want to remove the search bar. So we'll go to Appearance, Customize. Okay, header and navigation. Let's see what this is now. We'll do default. I'm hiding the logo, the Divi logo, until I have a logo made for this website. Oh yeah, let's make it full width. It looks a little bit better. The menu height, and keep it around 65. So we want this to also match with the fixed menu settings. So we'll have to just make sure. Let's make it 60. Logo max height, make that 60 or 50. Text size, so let's do like 16 or 17 maybe. See what that looks like. Yeah, we could do 17. Let's do the letter spacing, or actually 18. Looks good. Letter spacing, you can leave it at 1. Let's see. Okay, so 60, 50, 18, 1. Let's go to the fixed navigation. Okay. Secondary menu, background color. We don't have a secondary menu. Primary menu, light color, active. Secondary menu, light color. I'm not sure. I guess it's okay. Might have to go back and change a couple things. I don't know what all that stuff was. So header elements, we want to not show search icon. We're going to be showing our social icons, but I want to set up our social media pages first, and we can then connect it all. Okay, so we'll publish it, we'll leave, and we'll go back to our website. Okay, so since we're using Divi, I'm going to be enabling the visual builder. If you're not using Divi theme or a theme, or any particular theme, you're just using the default theme for WordPress, you could do the same stuff. You'd follow the same kind of like outline that I'm going to be showing you. So basically, you want only one heading, one H1 tag on each web page. So this right here is the H1, and I know that because it says it right here. So typically you would want to have your keyword, which is Web Design New Jersey or Best Web Design, Web Design New Jersey, to be in your H1 tag. But because I'm using an exact match domain, I don't want it to be over optimized. So I reworded it a little bit. Top rated for website design and development in New Jersey. So from there, this is just paragraph text. You know what, maybe I'm gonna, yeah, right. I'm going to actually remove that. And then I'm just going to bring this down a little bit. So I haven't connected the button or anything yet. I'm going to go to spacing and just set a margin. And the cool thing about Divi is, let's do 50. Or I'll do 70. 70 pixels. Oh, wait. Okay, so then I can also look at how it's visually kind of turning out or how it's looking on different devices. So right now we're on desktop, so you can take a look at it in tablet, which we're going to want to obviously optimize it and make the design responsive so it doesn't look like this. But right now I'm just concerned with the spacing right here, just so, you know, to kind of like minimize some of the things that I'm going to have to be done when I do, you know, make the site responsive and make it look good on tablet and phone. So it looks like there's a little bit too much space here. So I'm just going to do it to 50, make sure it's all 70 and 70. You know, while we're here, actually, what I could do as well, we'll save it. Could also change the sizing for tablet and mobile, and also take a note of what the sizing is that I'm using for the H1, so heading, so that it's consistent. So let's take a look. Our H1 text is 44 pixels and 1.3 EM for the line height. So we click over here, take a look on tablet and see what we're gonna, so we're gonna wanna make, you know, make this last maybe 35, see how that looks. Okay, so 35. And then on phone, just do 30. I mean, I could always go, I'm going to be changing all this. I'm just for right now. Now this would be the H2 heading. So what we could do is, before we talk about all of what we do, we could say something else about our New Jersey web design agency. I'm just going to say Parsippany-based agency specializing in WordPress design and development. So Parsippany, how about Parsippany Agency? Specializing in WordPress design and development. So now we're going to make this an H2 heading. Okay, and then what we're going to want to do is our first paragraph of text is going to need to have web design in New Jersey within the first in the first line of text. So this is another important thing that you should be doing is you analyze the other sites that are that are currently ranking for the keyword that that you've chosen to optimize the page for. So I've already done a little bit of analysis and looked at some of the websites that are ranking for web design New Jersey. And what I did was I looked at how many characters the sites have, the site architecture, and other other elements. And what I did notice is the top few websites that are ranking, they have around 1,200 characters, 1,200 words. So what I'm going to do, one of my strategies is going to be to create long form content and to fill this page with closer to around 3,000 words. And that's definitely going to help the ranking. Okay, so in the first paragraph of text, we want to have Web Design New Jersey. So I'll just say the title of the site, which is Best Web Design New Jersey, right at the beginning. Okay, so I'm saying Best Web Design New Jersey will create a professional, responsive, let's just say site, for your business or brand. Okay, so we'll leave that for right now. Okay, so now we're going to scroll down. So the next thing that I want to do, this is part of the template. They have a video, and videos really help to rank websites. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a YouTube video and then embed it into here, and I'm going to optimize my YouTube video for the phrase Best Web Design New Jersey. So what I usually use for this is a program that I really enjoy. It's called Animoto. I paid for a, I don't know, standard account. I paid about $350 for the year, and I think it's so worth it. It really is. So, I mean, they do allow you to use it for free as well. But there's, you know, they have the watermark. You can't do anything with the video. So you really need to buy this program. So let's create a new video. I'm going to just do something really simple. I'm going to use another site that I like, which is Pexels. And they have free stock photos that you can use. And they also have free stock videos, which are great. So I'm not going to worry about optimizing any of the images right now. Okay, so let's look at the popular videos. Okay, I'm going to use this one as a template. And I'm going to go over here to Pexels and begin looking for some web design images. Okay, this is the one that you'll see that you saw that I have for the header. I could use it again. This one's kind of cool too. Okay, what am I doing here? So this one's kind of cool too. Oh wait, what am I doing? I could have just, I don't know if I did this right. Whoops. Whoops. I don't know why I didn't just, I don't know if I did this right. Let me take a look. Okay, so in Animoto, you're just literally going to be just inserting your pictures and just editing the text in it. It's super easy, it's just awesome. Okay, yeah, here it is. Okay, so we can just say in the beginning something like best website design New Jersey, or best web design New Jersey. And I'll say a top rated agency. Okay, we'll put this maybe down at the bottom. I'm going to change the title to maybe white. And then the accent color is going to be purple, dark purple. Okay, so save. We're just going to duplicate this. Maybe we could use another image. I'm going to look at some of the videos that they have available that maybe could be related to graphic design, web design. Let's see. So let's do design. 70 videos. So what's this one here? Okay, we could use this. So we're going to add that one into here. Okay, so let me just take a look at this and just preview. This one we can trim the video because we don't want a 20-second. We can do 5 seconds, maybe. Huh. Let's see what he's even doing. I don't know. All right. We can take a look. So just really simple. I mean, obviously this video, really you would want to put a little bit more time and thought into it. But, you know, for just to basically show you, you know, how to tackle this. Embedding a video is very, very helpful to your ranking. And it also really helps with dwell time on the website and people, you know, your conversions, you know. Okay, so that's okay so for right now. All right, hey guys, so now I'm going to take you through the process of embedding your YouTube video into your website. So first you want to create a individual account, a Google account for YouTube. And what I did was I created an account, I think I call it bestwebdesignnewjersey@gmail.com. And you're going to be using this for anything, you know, Google related, like your Google My Business, your YouTube, whatever. I mean, that's what I'm doing at least. And then what you do is you go to YouTube and you want to upload your video. So from Animoto, so you go to create a video or post. You go to upload a video. And then you will select the file here. I actually have already done this, but it will take you to this page right here. And you'll fill out the description. You're going to do your SEO title, and the end result will be okay. So the end result is going to be this, which I just uploaded. I embedded I put my website link in the description, and you want to make sure you put your keywords. And then you copy the URL. So I kind of changed things around a little bit. I wanted to, at the beginning, my video was all the way at the bottom of the page. I moved it up a little bit. So now you're going to go to the area where you're going to be embedding your video. I'm using Divi, so it might be a little bit different than if you were to do it like on the back end and just add your custom, like the code. Maybe I'll show you guys how to do that. I don't know. I'm just going to show you how to do it with Divi for right now. So let's see what happened here. You're going to go to this, insert from URL. Oops. Just paste it in. You insert it into the post. Perfect. And then what you can do, one of the options that Divi gives you for some of the customizations here, you can do, like I have this overlay image, but if you wanted to add your own overlay image, you could do that. So let's say as an example, I wanted to like do this one. That might give it like a little bit more of a clean look instead of having the actual like all the YouTube like heading and all that information showing. I'm just going to generate it from the video actually. I'm just going to have what I had before. And then you just save it. It's as simple as that.